that link in the description and purchase your pack. So it's 6 packs of hair, and one pack comes with 15 strands of hair. And I must say, when it says springy, they actually mean like spring twist. Like, it's how the package came, and I really like the package because they spend time packaging this stuff, and they also leave some instructions for kids down below. In the package I received a nice little template giving instructions to how you can install this hair by yourself, which I find to be very unique and cute, and it's really really well put together. And as I said, we have received 6 packs of hair, and this is how they package the hair that they have sent. So in total 6 in the color number 1B. Have received a mirror and some ear accessories and 2 little clips. So in this video I won't be doing a lot of talking because everything that I will be doing will be demonstrated properly. So all you have to do is just sit back, relax, and enjoy how I install these beautiful spring twists. Okay guys, this is the finishing look of my spring twists, y'all. I installed them perfectly fine, and as I said, it's something you can easily try on yourself. So if you have to watch this video over and over and over, we'll get it down. And go subscribe if you haven't gotten a chance to. Like, comment, and subscribe again, and purchase your hair if you haven't gotten a chance to do so.